Today we're pretending to be a surveyor, so I don't have to pay a surveyor. So I've rented this fine, I don't even know what it's called. It's something surveyors use. It has a laser on it, and we got this other thingy, also maybe a laser on it. You plant the one big one and you calibrate it, which I just got figured out, and you can move around and mark your points. So I got 50 points marked yesterday with help. Now I'm trying to finish the other 85 points, and this is $400 a day, but a surveyor would have cost about $4,000. So yeah, I suppose it's worth it. I guess I'm a surveyor now. Well, as soon as I got the thing calibrated, the battery died on the tablet, so that's a bummer. And I'm not in focus, am I? Hopefully that's in focus. Okay. Oh yeah, so as soon as I got going, the battery died on the tablet, unfortunately. So I lost my calibration and setup and all that. And now, thankfully, I have temporary electric, which I almost forgot and started to drive home. But I came back, we were charging the tablet for the surveying thingamajig. And yeah, hopefully it doesn't take more than about half an hour, and we'll finish marking all the points. In the end, we did get the battery charge, and we did get the land approximately surveyed enough to start the site work. So all told, we marked the sides of the barn, including the little outbuilding. We marked the entire fire turnaround circle and the entrance, and also the parking lot, which extends almost the entire length of the property. We marked the water line, both the fire hydrants, as it extends out the end of the property, and the sewer line going down the other border of the property. We also marked a culvert to go under the parking lot and the retention basin and catch basin. And that pretty much gets us ready for the excavator.